Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Mastery Revealed, the ultimate beginner's $10,000 method. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing and earn $10,000 as a beginner. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. It's an incredibly lucrative way to make money online, and I'm going to show you how to master it. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. The key here is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and has high demand. This will ensure that you enjoy the process and attract potential customers. Step 2. Research and select high-quality affiliate products. Look for products that align with your niche and have a proven track record of success. Promoting reputable products will build trust with your audience. Step 3. Build a converting website or blog. Your website is your online storefront, so make it professional and user-friendly. Create compelling content that educates and entertains your audience and include affiliate links strategically. Step 4. Drive targeted traffic to your website. This is where the magic happens. Utilize various marketing strategies such as SEO, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to attract relevant visitors who are more likely to purchase. Step 5. Convert leads into sales. Nurture your audience through valuable content, captivating copywriting, and persuasive call to actions. Engage with your visitors, answer their questions, and provide them with solutions. Step 6. Scale your business. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to scale up. Expand your reach, explore new marketing channels, and continue to refine your strategies to maximize your earnings. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to earning $10,000 as an affiliate marketing beginner. It's not an overnight process, but with dedication and persistence, success is within reach. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and tricks. Happy earning!